Watch me go from this
Yeah, I'm not leaving the house today.
basic to
A baddie. Hey, welcome back. Today I have my boxy charm. Just gonna start off with my eyebrows. Got them on, concealed them. Gonna conceal my whole eyelid, make it nice and smooth. Going in with my Morphe 15D palette. Look at it, looking all beautiful and new. These are the shades I use right there. You're gonna go ahead and blend from lightest to darkest. Oh yeah, get in there. Look at that. Went ahead and put my lashes on, blended them out with some mascara, added some glitter because you know we extra. Going in and moisturizing the skin. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna contour and highlight because sis, we gotta be snatched. Am I right? I'm right. So then we're gonna go ahead and use these brushes that came in the set. They were super soft. I love them so much. And now I'm just showing you how soft they are and patting it on my face because yes, never too much blending. So this is a palette I got the light to medium palette. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Luxie Beauty small contour brush. Go ahead and go in with that contour shade there and just really chisel out that cheek because, as I previously said, we trying to be snatched. So I'm just going ahead and contouring everything, making sure it's nice and blended. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the same palette in that blush shade and really, apple out my cheeks, get them nice and pink, put a little bit on my nose, nice and blended. To be my completed look, I can look at that highlight like hello, like shine bright like a what? Diamond. Okay. Periods. Okay, I completely transformed myself into a baddie featuring this month's boxy charm. So am I technically like a boxy baddie? I don't know. I'm working on it. Might stay around. But I love this box. My only complaint is, even though I filled out my quiz and definitely put that I was deep tone, I still ended up with a light to medium palette, which, my contour, I ain't missing. I'm still very chiseled, but, I wish I would have gotten the deep palette to kind of see what that would have looked like. But, honey, look at that highlight.